Types of sentences. As we know that there are 4 types of sentences mainly. Number 1 is declarative sentence. A sentence that states or declares something is called a declarative sentence. And please note that it has 3 names. It is also called a statement and an assertive sentence. So, declarative, assertive, statement. These are all the same. Clear? They simply declare something. For example, the sun rises in the east. Number 2 is the interrogative sentence. A sentence that asks a question is an interrogative sentence. For example, who has broken this glass? This is an interrogative sentence. Number 3, a sentence that gives an order, request, or expresses an advice is called an imperative sentence. It is our 3rd type. So what is an imperative sentence? A sentence that expresses a command, request, or an advice. Simply, it can also be called desire. We can have examples of the imperative sentence. Peter, shut the door. This is an example of the order, that is command. So how will I give the answer? I will write imperative sentence. In the bracket, I will write that this is the command. Number 2, example can be of request. Please give me a glass of water. That's a request. So words like please are generally the request sentences. But some sentences, do not confuse yourself. When it is please, can you give me a glass of water? That is an interrogative sentence. Okay, because it will end in a question mark. And it is inquiring something. Next is advice. Advice means you can give a suggestion to someone. You should see a doctor. So this is an advice, example of an imperative sentence. In the bracket, you will write advice. Next, there is an exclamatory sentence. Number 4, exclamatory sentence is a sentence which expresses some strong and sudden feelings. Am I clear? And what type of feelings? Let's do in detail, because exclamatory sentences generally people confuse. Like when we express surprise, shock, anger, happiness or excitement and use the words, special words called interjections like alas, hooray, oh, well, wow. These are all interjections and these sentences end with the exclamation mark. Example, wow, what a pleasant surprise. Now in this sentence, just note after the wow, it will be an exclamation mark. What a surprise will also have an exclamation mark. Sometimes special interjections are not used. Simply the word starts like this. What a beautiful rose it is. So here the exclamation mark will be after the sentence. Special words take the interjections just after them, like hooray, well done, alas, hooray, cheers. Understood? So there should not be a problem where to place the exclamation mark.